Good morning, children, my students. Today, we're going to continue our lesson from the last video. We talk about operation sets, but we discover union and intersection of sets. So this time, we are going to study operations on sets with complement and difference. Okay? So let's review the past lessons. Operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and divisions are numeric operations. So these numeric operations works with numbers and produce numeric solutions. Now, example 5 plus 3 equals 8. It illustrates numeric operations where the operation is addition. Now, in contrast, set operations work with sets and have sets for an answer. In the previous video, we had discussed operation in union and intersection. In mathematics, the intersection of two sets A and B, denoted by A cap B, is the set containing all elements of A that also belongs to B, or equivalently, all elements of B that also belongs to A. Example, we have here set universal set with set P and Q. And also we have here the another example, another union. So what are we going to do? So let's find A intersect B and A union B. And then on the other picture, we will find P union intersect Q and P union Q. Okay? So Q, parang cup yan. Pag nakataob, intersection. Kapag nakataas, union. Okay? Next. What are we going to do? Okay, let's go back from the previous slide. The review of in operation of union of sets. Now, union is the set operation. Union brings together all the elements in both sets, whether those elements are in one or both of the sets. In other words, we are just combining the elements of both sets into one. Fill in the blanks with union or intersection. Okay, so we will try to answer. So 1 is union. Next, 2 is empty set. So, hindi siya kasali. And 3 is also union. Then, 4 is intersection. And 5 is union. Okay? So, question. Next. Okay. Question. Next slides tayo. Set complement, no? A complement of a set A written as A prime is a set of elements in the universal set that are not in A. What is a complement? A thing that completes or brings to perfection. A libre to prove a perfect complement to music. A number or quantity of something especially that required to make a group complete. So, sabi nga nila, ang mag-asawa magiging complete sila or kapag meron na silang anak. No? Add to or something in a way that enhances or proves or improves its make perfect. No? So a blazer, a classic blazer complements a look that's stylish or casual. Now we have here images of real objects that complement to each other. Of course, we have yin and yang. Yin is negative while yang is positive. They always go together. Of course, the sun and the moon. No? So, in order for them to create stars, so they have to go together. Of course, your CD player is nothing without CD. And these two angles, 63 degrees and 27 degrees, make up a 90 degrees angle. So we call it a complementary angles. Okay, next. Now, set operation complement. So let U, universal set with Christoph, Anya, Clarence, Carl, and Lisa. Suppose set A has only Christoph, Anya, and Carl. Then the set of students who were not selected referred to the complement of set A written as A complement. So, or A prime, no? So, we we name this as, or we read this as A prime. No? A prime. Okay, A prime. So the complement of A or is the A prime, which is Clarence and Lisa. So since the universal set or the team, no, has Christoph, Anya, Clarence, and Carl and Lisa, then pag hiniwalay mo si Christoph, si Anya at si Carl, hindi pwedeng mawala din si Clarence at Lisa because they complete one team, no, or one group. Okay. So this picture here, the complement of A are all the sets in the color blue in the universal set, no? Here, itong white na to or yung set A, the complement of set A is all the complement of B including this color pink. At in the second set, Venn diagram, the complement of B are all sets belongs to A and also in the universal sets, which is color green. Okay? Now, complement of a set, to understand the complement of set, we must first define the universal set. The set of all elements under a consideration is called the universal set. For example, when discussing numbers, the universal set may consist of the set of real numbers. All of these types of numbers, like integers, irrational numbers are subset of the universal set of real numbers. Complement of set A. The complement of a set A is defined as a set of elements that are contained in U or the universal set, but not contained in set A. So, in symbolism for the complement of set A follows. So, A complement is equals to the set of X, where X is element of U, such that X is also element of A. Okay? Now, let's have Venn diagram for complement of set A. Now, we have here the yellow region, all the elements in U that are neither in A or U. So, that means this is the universal set, yung kabuuan. But the complement of A, itong white na to, ang kanyang complement, yung color blue and this yellow. This is the universal set. While the set B, all his complement are the white circle and the yellow square, which is represent as our universal set. Okay? Here, the complement of set A is represented by regions that are colored blue and yellow, and the complement of A is the region outside of white color representing set A. Okay. Find the complement of sets. So we answered that already. Then let's do letter B. So we have here the universal set U with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And A, 1, 3, 5, 7. B has 2, 0, 2, 4, 6. And C is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, let's get the complement of C. So what is the complement of C? C has 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, ano ang nasa universal set na wala sa C o sa set C? So we have 5. Okay. Bura. So we have 5, 6, and 7. What about in B complement? So sa B complement, ano yung nasa B na wala o nasa universal set na wala sa B? So we have 1, 3, 5, and 7. Okay? What is the A complement? Ang A complement naman, ano meron sa U na wala sa A? Of course, the of course, the 0, 2, 4, and 6. Okay? What is A? Okay, let's find out. Number 4, A union A complement. So, yung A natin is 1, 3, 5, 7. Ang A complement is 0, 2, 4, 6. So, when we are going to combine that, 1 or 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay? Then, for number 4, okay, C, alright, C intersect B complement. Ano nga ba yung B complement natin? 1, 3, 5, 7. So, if we are going to get the answer, asan po yung kanilang intersection? We have 3 and 1. So, the answer is 1 and 3. Okay? Question? Did you understand the concept of complement now? I hope so. Next, let's move on. So, we have now the other operation, which is difference. The difference of sets A and B written as A minus B is the set of all elements that belong to A but not to B. Okay. Example, no? This Venn diagram here, we have 2 circles. Okay. So, A minus B. Okay. We only refer to A, pero wala siya sa B. So, dapat yung kasali lang talaga sa A na hindi rin member ni B. Example. So, we have if A with elements A, B, C, D, E, and B with elements A, B, F, G, H, I, then difference of set A and B denoted by A minus B are all the elements in A but not in B. Okay? So, yun. The answer is C, D, E. Bakit ganon? Ano lang ang member ni B? Si AB. So, yung A, C, D, E lang kanya. So, yan yung A minus B. What about, pag hinanap natin yung B minus, B minus A. Okay, so paano natin gagawin yon? Anong sagot? B minus A. So, since si AB ay nandun siya sa A, so ang sagot lang natin ay F, G, H, and I. Okay? See? Oh, galing, no? Question? O, yan. Okay. So, nakita nyo, C, D, E, yan lang. And then, sa B talaga ay F, G, H, I lang siya. So, yung A, B kasi ay pareho sila. Next. More examples. So, we have universal set with elements 0, 1, 2, C, 7. And set A has 1, 3, 5, 7. And B is 0, 2, 4, 6. C is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's answer. A minus B. Okay, yung A at saka B, meron bang, meron ba si A na nandun din sa B? Wala. So, ang sagot natin ay empty set. Okay, next. B minus A, meron ba? Wala pa din. So, empty set pa rin yung sagot natin. What about C? C minus B. Okay, so meron siyang 2, pareho. Meron din siyang, meron pa ba? So, ang sagot natin ay C, no? Minus B. The answer is 0, 1, 3, and 4. Okay? Question? Did you understand now the concept of difference? Alright, I hope so. Now, for our activity, find the complement of its set. Okay? That is in your module, so please check it out. Also, the activity 2, answer it. Okay? So, that's all for today. Gratitude is the best attitude. For questions, comment below and please click like and subscribe. Thank you for listening. This is your teacher, Fe. Please click. Click and click and click. Okay? Goodbye. See you again.